Swedish life science company Enzymatica has announced that the preliminary results of an in vitro study showing the ability of the mouth spray Coldzyme to deactivate SARS-CoV-2, the virus causing the COVID-19 pandemic. The study demonstrated that Coldzyme deactivates SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus by 98.3%. The results indicate that Coldzyme can offer a protective barrier against harmful viruses such as SARS-CoV-2 by local virus deactivation in the oral cavity. The company said in a regulatory filing on Monday. The medical device Coldzyme is a mouth spray that forms a barrier in the oral cavity against common cold viruses. The barrier solution of the device is mainly composed of glycerol and Atlantic cod tispin. The goal of the present study was to determine the ability of Coldzyme to deactivate SARS-CoV-2 known to cause the COVID-19 pandemic. A versatile efficiency suspension test was conducted using Coldzyme against SARS-CoV-2. Coldzyme deactivates SARS-CoV-2 by 98.3%, 1.76 log 10 in 2 minutes. Furthermore, no cytotoxicity was detected for Coldzyme at any dilution tested. The study was conducted by the US company Microbac Laboratories Inc., an independent, accredited and certified laboratory, the company's statement said. The in vitro study was based on a standardized and validated methodology, that is ASTM International Test Method, designed E1052 Standard Test Method to assess the activity of microbicides against viruses in suspension, it added. Even if the current in vitro results cannot be directly translated into clinical efficacy, it is very interesting that Coldzyme is able to effectively deactivate SARS-CoV-2 in vitro since it constitutes a proof of principle that can be taken further into clinical studies. Thus, the results indicate that Coldzyme can offer a protective barrier against SARS-CoV-2, said Klaus Ekstrand, Enzymatica's chief operating officer. Previous in vitro results made with the same method showed that Coldzyme is effective against another coronavirus, HCOV229E, one of the causes of the common cold, and in comparison to SARS-CoV-2 belongs to another subgroup within the corona family. The aggregated results indicate that Coldzyme can be effective against a variety of coronavirus, the company added.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.